First, trucks and trailers loaded with sugarcane arrive from outside at the sugar mill. As the trailers and trucks arrive, the sugarcane is unloaded at the mill. Unloading is done in two ways. One method is when the truck arrives, and the sugarcane is dropped directly onto a conveyor belt. And the second method is when machines are used to unload the sugarcane. After unloading, the sugarcane moves onto the conveyor belt. As soon as the sugarcane reaches the conveyor belt, it is cut into small pieces and then sent forward. After that, the sugarcane is weighed and its quality is checked. Then, after the sugarcane is cut into small pieces, it moves forward onto the rollers. After this, the sugarcane is thoroughly cleaned. After cleaning, it is washed with warm water. After washing with water, it is sent forward to the next stage. After this, the sugarcane is sent to large roller drums. These large roller drums extract the juice from the sugarcane. After this process, the juice comes out from the sugarcane and flows forward, collecting in a large tank. After this process, the juice comes out from the sugarcane and flows forward, collecting in a large tank. This juice then passes through pipelines and is directed toward large storage tanks. After the juice is extracted, the remaining sugarcane residue is carefully checked. Then water is added again to the crushed cane so that the remaining sweetness can be extracted properly. After that, it is pressed again through the roller drums, and any remaining water is extracted. After this entire process, the remaining fibrous material is used in boilers to produce steam. The extracted juice flows through large pipes and moves into big drums. Inside these large drums, heat is applied using steam. After the steam process, the impurities inside the juice separate inside these large drums. A large screen filter is installed, and through it the impurities are completely removed. After the juice is fully cleaned, it is heated again in large drums. After heating, the juice turns into a thick liquid. Then this thick juice is sent for sugar production, where controlled chemicals are added to process it further. After this, the final sugar-making process begins. At this stage, the sweetness level of the sugar is checked. To turn the sugar white, a whitening agent is added. To ensure high-quality sugar, certain controlled chemicals are added at this stage. After that, the sugar comes out from the large drums and moves onto large conveyor belts to dry. As you can see, the sugar is now fully produced and ready. After this, the sugar is tested to check whether it has been properly produced. Finally, after the entire process, the sugar is fully prepared. and is being packed into bags through conveyor belts.